Yemen faces great challenges with refugees, internal displacement and mixed migration across the country. Drought, conflict, political instability and human rights violations in the Horn of Africa have led to an increased influx in refugees, asylum seekers and migrants arriving in Yemen in search of safety, protection and economic opportunities. A large number of refugees reside in Yemen's capital, Sana'a. Also residing in Sana'a is a large number of extremely vulnerable and marginalized children. Save the Children is responding to the crisis faced by refugees and marginalized children in Yemen by providing remedial education, recreational and protection activities in 3 local centers in Sana'a. Through these centers, over 8,000 Yemeni and refugee children have had access to basic education, primary healthcare and life skills over a period of 2 years. Haifa is a 15-year-old Yemeni girl participating in remedial education classes provided at one of these centers.
في البداية كانت أمي رافضة وكانت قالت من حقنا أن نتعلم والمجتمع كان من حقنا أن نتعلم وفي الأخير أمي وافقت.
Usrati Center is one of the centers in Sana'a which has been established to provide services for marginalized Yemeni children. The center provides classes for preschool children, adult education classes, handicraft activities for young girls and women. In addition to awareness sessions for families on community mobilization, sexual and reproductive health, and the importance of birth registration, the services and training provided empowers refugees and marginalized families to assimilate into their societies and make a positive contribution to their communities.
بعد ما دخلت مركز أسرتي تعلمت من الخياطة مهارات ومنها صناعة المحافظ وأشغال يدوية ومنها صنع الياف وتعلمت الأخلاق مثل احترام الكبير والصغير واحترام نفسي برا المنظمة وداخل المنظمة وفي البيت.
According to UNHCR, in 2011 alone, over 100,000 refugees arrived on Yemen's shores from the Horn of Africa. Refugees are among the most vulnerable groups in Yemen and find themselves on the front line of the current humanitarian crisis. There are now more than 200,000 refugees registered in Yemen, mainly from Somalia. Save the Children has been working with refugees since 1991, both in rural and urban settings. Save the Children is not only implementing child protection and education activities for refugees in Sana'a, but also in Aden and in Lahj governorates, including in Kharaz camp. The drop-in centers, located in 2 urban districts of Sana'a, ensure that both refugee and marginalized Yemeni children have access to formal and non-formal education, in addition to community-based protection. Ali is a 10-year-old boy who grew up in Yemen. His parents are refugees from Somalia, and his mother felt that she couldn't assure him and her other children a healthy and stable environment, no matter how hard she worked. Ali's mother was invited to enroll in the center with Ali and the rest of her children. Here they participate in courses on child protection, through which children learn how to protect themselves from sexual harassment and abuse. Parents and children are trained in children's rights, can take part in remedial education classes and recreational activities.
It's been 50 years for Save the Children to be working in Yemen. Over the years, we have learned how to promote the rights of the children, all children in Yemen. Our drop-in centers are designed in a way that they promote integration of refugee children into Yemeni society. We offer a range of services in the drop-in centers, whereby the refugee children and the Yemeni kids, they come together to play, to learn and to find solutions of their challenges together.
hay'ad sidaan oo kale inay jirto intaan qaxootiga ku ahaan Yemen annagoo hadda helnay Save Children alxamdulilah oo ilmihii noloshooda wax fiican iska bedelay waxbarashadoodii nadaafadoodii alxamdulilah oo ku xamdinaynaa.
At the same time, there are more refugees coming to Yemen and there are more children interested in joining our centers. The current buildings are proving to be insufficient, and same is the case with the equipment.
Save the Children is appealing to those who would like to make a lasting change in the lives of these children. Together we can all make a difference.